What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're out on the GS today, about to meet Sabin. Gonna head out for a little coastal ride. It's a nice day. Well, let's see if he's here. Meeting up at the Arco. Oh, there he is. So, bro, the fairing bracket on the bolt broke. I didn't have time to fix it. I think I'm gonna switch back to the Memphis shade and then fix the bracket and then put it back. I just came to, you know, entice you a little bit to get that new bike, bro. I've seen the CF Motos though. I saw the, I think, are you looking at the 450 MT or something like that, or the 800?
The 800.
Oh, okay.
It looks like this.
Yeah, it looks. I mean, it looks pretty big. Let's roll. All right, we're heading to the coast. Gonna hit PCH to Redondo, and then let's see where we go. Let's check this boy out. Woo! That boat. Taking the Sabin shortcuts. Hey, this is the first time I see the ocean in a minute. Yeah, it hasn't been warm enough. I mean, it's been warm some days, but it hasn't been warm enough in a while for us to come out here. Ooh, this is nice. Check this out. We stopped in this little piece of beach here. I always see my boy Sabin stop here, so I told him, hey, let's go there. Looks pretty cool. Damn, looking like a unicorn over here.
Bro, that's how you get the shot.
Yeah, no, I've seen that. Sick setup. Feel good? Alright, so we're gonna head that way, somewhere up that side by those houses, and then something about a lighthouse. So we'll see. We'll see where we end up at. Alright, right behind you. This is how you get the shots right here. Oh yeah, man, I miss the ocean. I love the smell of trees. Looks nice up here. Firehouse. Hey, there you go. Adventure Bros. Oh man, these roads are so fucked. They're fixing this road always, constantly fixing it. Look at, like, this piece is brand new. They literally have to have their water pipes outside. They cannot have them in the ground. They're gonna break. You can see a bunch of cargo ships on that side over there. That's Catalina Island over there. It's nice up here. Alright, so I just realized that I drive this thing every day, but you guys have not seen this in a good while. I think it's been about 2 years since the last video on this thing. A little over 2 years. And this is how it looks now. We got the Moscow racks on the back for the soft panniers. We got the backcountry 35s for both sides. I do have a top case. I didn't bring it. We got the Jibby tank bag here. We got the Spec Tech tank pads, Denali D4s and D2s on the front. The Ricochet head covers here. Alt-Rider skid plate, a bike thing headlight cover. Double take mirrors. I swapped out the handle handguards for black, and I did switch out the turn signals to the European turn signals, both front and in the rear. We also got the Denali B6 back here, and then up here we got the quad lock, the Chiggy AIO5 light, and that's pretty much it. This thing's a beast. Yes sir, what are we doing? Oh, you want me to ride down there? My bad. I was like, why are you waiting for me? You expect me to apply this? You better hope I don't crash this thing. Hold on. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I'm gonna try. I haven't really fucked with this shit. Oh no! No! No, you're good, but I think I crashed your drone. I told you. You were coming up the curb and I was backing up. And then I started seeing like the little orange thing, and then as soon as it just went gray like this, look. It's right where the turn is at. Look, you see, so you were coming up and I was backing up and I started panning that way. Let me take off my helmet. I'll go look for it. I'll jump over. All right, so we're on the lookout for a drone. How'd you get over there? Can you hear it? I don't think there's rattlesnakes here. We'll find it. Does it beep? Oh shit, careful there, sir. It has to be like that.
Right
way.
here.
Right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is like right here where I was at, so it has to be somewhere literally in this area right here. Oh man. Oh man. Bro, we got it. Dude. Oh my god, we just busted a mission climbing all the way from down there when we were literally up here. Let's climb up, no? Or is it too far? Oh shit.
How the fuck do I get it off?
Just yank it off, bro. Kick it off with the other foot. It's not in your skin, right?
No, it's on my
Just on the pants?
No, it's hurting.
You're gonna get it through your glove, bro. You gotta do it quick.
Wait, now I gotta check me.
What kind of screw is on my boot? Is it a flathead? Or a
Bro,
Phillips?
it's Phillips.
Okay,
You
well,
need a
hold
screwdriver.
on. Hold on.
Fucking guy. When did you get that on?
And we climbed up the first time.
Look at that beautiful ocean though.
There we go.
And of course the cargo ship with tariff on it.
Alright, sir. Do the honors.
Bro, that shit is sideways
You
too.
want me to put it on the ground or
No, you good.
is it coming out?
Yeah.
I'm surprised that shit didn't go in my fucking heel.
At least bro, that shit is huge.
I know. That's why it wouldn't come out.
You felt it?
Yeah, when I was walking.
Here, Josh.
Is that it?
Show relief.
Man. Dude, that could have been in my heel. All right, we recovered the drone. We're tired. We're sun-beaten. This guy got stuck by a cactus. And we're ready to go. Oh, I thought you were gonna turn around and go down. Oh, shit. Okay, hold on. I let a car pass in front. I thought we were going down. There we go. 2 lanes. Alrighty then. Bro, we were there for like an hour and a half, I think. We were there for a while, bro. We were on drone recovery mode, which we were successful. No losses. Awesome views of the harbor. Man, it must be nice to live up here. Almost almost there. I am hungry. It's 1 o'clock and I haven't had breakfast. Oh man. I mean, we would have been eating already. We probably would have been done eating. Let's grub. Let's cheers to adventures.
Tastes so good.
Oh yeah, that's so good. So worth it. Literally was so hungry I forgot to record the food as it came. This guy already killed everything. I'm still halfway, but this thing's delicious.
Well done.
And super worth it. Oh man, much needed. All right, sir. I gotta go that way, huh? Oh no, it says north. Oh dude, that burger was so good and the tots were perfect. Alright, dude. Nice riding with you. I'll see you. Alright, y'all. That's it for this one. I'm heading home. Fun time hanging out with Sabin. We got the drone back. We had a good time. Food was awesome. Couldn't ask for better weather. If you guys liked the video, hit that like button. If you guys want to see more, hit subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.